All right, everyone. Trying to deal with all these papers in my hands. We've got the Stardom now here in, excuse me a second, the new Dell Webb in Nocatee, the Stardom. Let's take a look. It is a 2179 square foot house with 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and you can actually go up to a 3-car garage on this one. We're going to do a one take here and just walk through and show you the whole thing. You come in immediately to the right. We've got this office space here. This could also be a bedroom. And we've got the half bath right here. So we'll check out the kitchen in just a minute. We got some other folks walking through here. This is nice and split over here. We got a master bedroom. Width of the pool here is okay, I guess. Not standard. So master bedroom into the master bath. Big shower. Double bowls. Commode. And linen closet. And a good size L-shaped closet in here. Let's sneak over here and check out the kitchen. Hey, you got good info on this one? You got it, okay, cool. You got it, okay. And moving across, so we got the master over there, and then we come over here to the left. Guess what we have? Another master. So super popular now, having the opportunity to have 2 masters or in-law suites. This one has the single bowl. A mini master, is that what we're gonna call it? The commode. Good sized walk-in closet and linen closet. All right, and so this is coming in the front door. We've come to the left all the way to the end. We've got a huge laundry room over here. I've seen bedrooms about this size. And this is where you come in from the garage. We've got a 3-car garage here. Water softener loop, hot water heater. All right, coming in from the garage. Big pantry. All right. Oh, a little wine bar fridge over there. Bar area. All right, this is the Stardom with sort of 2 owner suites. One's a little bit smaller, so I guess 1 owner suite and 1 in-law suite in this new Dell Webb Nocatee. And let's move on to the next one.